come, Facebook.
Yeah.
Alright,
here.
Find any eggs? Where? Is that an egg? Better put it in the basket. Come on.
She doesn't know what to do with it.
Put it in the basket.
Where's the other ones?
Find another one. You see more?
Is there another one?
Yeah. Go get it.
I know, just aim and shoot and it'll work. That's what I was doing this morning.
Is there another? I think I see a purple one over there. You see it? I see a purple one. See it? Look over here.
Daddy.
You want Daddy to get that one? What's in there? Let's go. Okay, let's go get more. There's more. Put it in there.
Hey, look, was there one over there? Look by the bench.
Another purple one. Do you see it? I'm just assuming.
Yeah. That's what I did this morning. I was just aiming right at her head.
I think I see another one.
Yeah, it's like, give me the money.
Here.
Yeah. No, they all have money in it. We didn't put candy in them.
Okay, let's do some more, okay? Then we can open them up later, okay? Here. Hold your basket. Because I think there might be one over here. Look down. You see one?
The blue one. Oh my, she's like, wait, I hear money in that one too. Look above Daddy's head. I think there's one up there.
Look, on the shed. Up here.
Sophia, look. Up.
Yellow. See a yellow one up there? You want Daddy to get this one? There you go. Okay, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look up at Daddy. Over here.
Yeah, maybe we should get a new camera.
Yeah.
Here, Sophia.
Here, Daddy will carry the basket.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah.
Here, you take this. You go with this a little bit. Go with Mommy. I don't have either one of you in the picture.
Is there one in there? She keeps shaking. I'm just like, I hear their money. You open in there?
Don't shake, I'm building them.
Is there another one? You want to put that one in there? And then put the yellow one
There
in
should be 12, babe.
Yep.
Go ahead, Sophia. Go to the next one. Should only take 5 minutes, not 20.
Big yellow? Green. Good girl. Where did the other ones go?
Over on the other side. How many she got in there?
Got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 3 more.
Okay, I think there might be some over by the basketball hoop.
Oh, did we miss one over here?
No. Keep going.
Come here, hon.
Hold it, slow down, babe. Getting out of the picture. I see a green one over there, Sophia.
You got money in there, don't worry. I think there might be one over here by the basketball. Your mommy's dress is going up. You want to put that one in the basket? Is it getting heavy? Hey babe, look. I think there's one here.
Watch your head.
One more.
I think Luke might have hid one behind that rock.
Oh, you did put it in.
Oh, Yeah, I know where there's one, Sophia.
Chevy. Chevy, you don't want to share with Chevy?
Okay, Sophia, I think there's one more.
One more. Let's go find it. Come on. Let's go see it.
It's a pink one.
Let's go find a pink one.
It's in the shopping cart, babe.
Oh, okay. Come here, look, honey. Come here. You want to find a pink one? Look in here. Look in all your toys. Let's see if you can find one. Is there anyone in there? Pink. Yay! We're all done. There's all your eggs.
Now go over on your, you want to put her picnic table in the shade, and then she can
Yeah.
open the stuff up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do it inside, babe.
Yeah. Come here, bub. Let's open up your eggs. Open up your eggs.
Hi, Luke. Nance. Lala.